question number 5. Find possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle whose areas are given the following. Whose areas? That means area of the rectangle. Okay. So area of the rectangle, we know the formula for area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth, L into B. Okay. Now from this we have to identify what is length and breadth. Okay, that means we have to factorize this. We'll be getting what is length and breadth. Okay, as first number and the last number is in the perfect square number, we can go with the identity, and this is square identity with the minus. So it's better easily we can identify this in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I'm going to use, okay, so area is given. So using a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. From this, I have to identify what is a and b. How will you write? Okay, 25a square means we can write it as 5a the whole square minus 2 into a into b plus 9b square we can write as 3b the whole square. Okay, as I said, this one you can write at the last. 2ab we can write at the last. First you focus on a value and b value. After finding a and b, minus 2ab. The formula is a minus b the whole square. It is a is 5a, b is 3b the whole square. Okay, that is nothing but now this is our length. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth. Okay, so therefore we can just write here. Okay, length is equal to 5a minus 3b. Okay, and breadth is equal to 5a minus 3b. Okay, both are coming same. The same as second one, 36s square minus 49t square. Okay, now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have to write in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, 36 we can write it as 6s the whole square minus 49t square is 7t the whole square. A square minus b square. That means a plus b, a minus b. Or a minus b into a plus b. So here a is nothing but 6x, b is nothing but 70. Okay, a minus b into a plus b. Or a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so both are same. Now here this is our length. So the answer here, this is our length. Okay, length is equal to this and breadth is equal to this. Now next one, sixth one, find possible expression for the length, breadth and height. Okay, three-dimensional length, breadth and height of the following cuboid. Okay, whose volume is given. Okay, so volume of cuboid formula. Yes, so the volume of cuboid is LBH. Okay, length into breadth into height. So you have to find the factor of this. You will be getting three factors. One is length, breadth and height. Okay, as given volume 6a square minus 24b square. Right, so they are not in the perfect square number actually. First you can take
Sir,
common
you
number outside.
take 6 common out.
So first of all, you have to take the 6 as a common number outside, then we can apply the formula. Okay, as 6 is common, I can just take 6 outside. 6 outside means we'll be having a square minus 4b square inside. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square format we have to expand. Okay, so a square minus 2b the whole square, 2b the whole square. Now this is our a value, this is our b value. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Okay, the formula is a square minus b square means either you can write a plus b, a minus b, or a minus b, a plus b. Both are same. Okay, now here we are getting three factors. One is 6, second one, third one. Three factors. First one you can take it as length. Okay, here therefore we can write, so length is equal to 6 and breadth is equal to a minus 2b and height is equal to a plus 2b. Okay, length, breadth, height, and we found out. The same as we are doing for second question. Second question, volume is given 3p square minus 15ps plus 12p is given. Okay, 3p is common. Okay, so everywhere 3p is common outside. So I can take 3p also outside. So 3p outside means s square minus, okay, 5s plus 3p is outside. So 4 3s are 12. So 4 is inside. Okay, now inside this is we have in the form of, this can be written in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, they have gone with middle term splitting method. So we can go with cap method, right? So we are just using the cap method. Okay, cap method means for this I'm going to use the cap method. So the product of two numbers I should get 4. Okay, and sum of two numbers I would get it as minus 5. Okay, I can take it as 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. While adding, I have to get minus 5. So I can just take minus 1 minus 4. Minus into minus is plus 4. While adding, minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So here the variable is s is a variable. Okay, s is a variable. S is a variable. Right. Therefore, s minus 1, s minus 4. Okay, now we came to this. Right. So you can just avoid this. Which one can we avoid? This one can be avoided. Okay, so we are just writing as 3p is outside, s minus 4, s minus 1. Okay, now this is our length, breadth and height. Okay, therefore we can just write, so the length is equal to 3p. So breadth is equal to s minus 4. Okay, s minus 4. Height is equal to s minus 1. Okay, so here you can write 4 ones are 4 mean you will be getting the same like this. We have taken 1 4s are, right? So anyway, while multiplication, everything will be the same. Question number 7. Playground is the shape as a square of side 40 meters. A pathway, a path of width s meter. Okay, the path width is given as s meter is created around the playground for the people to walk. Find an expression for the area of the path in terms of s. So we are going to find the expression for the area of the path. So this is the area of the path. Okay, this gray color. This the playground is given 40 is to 40 into 40. Okay, in a square they have mentioned there is a square. Okay, square shaped playground. One side is 40 means another side also will be 40. So this is 40 means, so this also 40. Okay, this also will be 40. All the sides it will be 40. So they are asking the area of, okay, the pathway they are asking. Here, okay, up to from here to here is 40 is given in the question. Okay, this is the ground 40 and this extra length, right? So we are just taking as s meter. Okay, the path of width is given s meter. So we can take it, this is s meter and this also s meter. Okay. So how to find out the area of the path? Area of the path means, so this path we have to find out. So area of the big square minus area of this playground, you will be getting, so area of the path, correct? Area of the big square minus area of the small square. So you will be getting area of the path. So area of the path. Area of the path, how to find out? Area of the big square minus area of the small square. That is nothing but area of the playground. Okay, this is in the form of square. So we can write area of the square formula first. Okay, area of the square. Okay, area of square. Square is equal to side into side. Okay, side into side. Area of the big square means, so the side of big square it will be here. This is 40. This is s plus s. So area side is equal to 40 plus 2s. Okay, side into side. 40 plus 2s into 40 plus 2s. Minus area of the playground. Okay, the side of the playground is 40. So 40 into 40. Okay, 40 plus 2s into 40 plus 2s is 40 plus 2s the whole square. 40 into 40 is 40 square. Now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square, right? Now for this I can write, okay, a plus b the whole square format. Okay, a plus b the whole square. A square, okay, plus 2ab plus b square. That also we can write, we'll be getting the same answer. Now we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so according to the question, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 40 square. Okay, so 40 square we keep as it is. Now 2 square is 4, s square is s square. 2 40s are, okay, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 160, 160 yes, minus 40 square. Now plus 40 square minus 40 square getting cancelled. So balance 4s square plus 160 s. For both 4 and s is common. If you take 4s is outside, s plus 40 is the answer. Okay, 4s into s plus 40. Okay, they ask us the expression for the area of the path. Okay, this is the expression for the area of the path. Now question number 8, if a number plus its reciprocal equals 10 by 3, find the number. Okay, first you can just take, let x be the number. Okay, they are asking, they are telling that a number. Okay, we can just take, let x be a number. Okay, let x be a number. Be a number, and number plus the reciprocal of its to equal to 10 by 3. That means you can write it as a number means x plus reciprocal means 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3 is given in the question. So they are asking what is the number. That means you have to find out the value of x. Okay, now here there is no denominator, it just makes a common denominator. If I take x is the denominator, so cross multiply x into x is x square, okay, plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3. Next we can do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication, what will come? So 3 into x square plus 1 is equal to 10 into x. So cross multiply. Now 3 into x square will be getting 3x square, okay, plus 3 into 1. Just multiply with inside. 3x square, 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 10 into x is 10x. So bring everything to the same side. So we are getting 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right, so now I have to factorize this. First number is not a perfect square number. Last number also is not a perfect square number. We cannot use identity. So the only way is we can go with cap method. Okay, so I'm going to go with cap method. Right, so the product of two numbers I would get it as 3 into 3. So product I should get it as 3 3s are 9, and sum I have to get it as minus 10. Okay, minus 10. Okay, so I can take it as 1 9s are 9. Okay, so while adding I have to get minus 10, so I can take it as minus 1 minus 9. Minus 1 into minus 9 is minus, okay, plus 9. While adding I am getting as, okay, minus 10. As we have variable as x and 3 is a coefficient, so we have to take it as 3x. Okay, just divide with 3x. There is no coefficient means we'll be taking only x. Here we have the coefficient as 3, so we have to take it as 3x. Now here we can cancel. 1 3s are 3. Here minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, what is the factor? This can be written as, so 3x minus 1 and x minus 3. Okay, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this we can just equate. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So from this what you can write, so 3x is equal to plus, so minus 1 it will become plus 1, and x is equal to here minus 3 it will become plus 3. So here x is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to 3. Okay, the number, okay, the numbers are, one is x, that is 3 and 1 by 3. Okay, the numbers are 3 and 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay, a rectangular pool has the area 2x square plus 7x plus 3 square has stars. Okay, has stars is a unit measurement. Okay, in the olden days the people used, how now how we are using meter, okay, centimeter. The same way hashtags is one of the unit measurement. Okay, so hashtags is nothing but the length. Okay, the length of from your elbow to the middle finger. That is the measurement. Elbow to the middle finger measurement is hashtags. Okay, if its width is given 2x plus 1 hashtags, find the length. Okay, hashtags was the unit used to measure the length. Okay, they have used in the olden days. Okay, so we know the formula for, okay, what is given? Area of the rectangular. Okay, area of the rectangle. Okay, so here is given area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle. So area of the rectangle, we know that L into B. Okay, so area is already given here, right? And width also is given. Width is nothing but breadth. So they are asking length, they are asking. So length alone find out means, so keep the length this side, takes breadth to this side. So what will come the formula? So formula it will be area of rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle just divided by breadth. Okay, this is the formula. For finding the length means area of the rectangle we have to find out, just divide with breadth. So breadth is already factor. So for you have to find out the factor of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Then we can just divide. Okay, that is the concept. Now, so area of the pool is given 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Width of the pool is given 2x plus 1. So length is nothing but area by breadth. Okay, area by breadth. Area is given, breadth is given. So we have to simplify this. Okay, first of all, you have to find the factor of this. They are not in the form of perfect square number. So we can go with only cap method. So cap method, how will you use? So the product of two numbers. So I would get is 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. Sum of two numbers I have to get it as 7. Okay, so I can take it as 2 3. Okay, 3 2s are they have used. I'll go with 3. So 2 3s are we can take, or 3 2s are. Okay, so product we should get it as 6, and sum I have to get it as 7. So 1 6 are 6, 1 plus 6 is 7. Here we have the variable as x is a variable and coefficient we have as 2x, right? So I can just divide by 2x. Okay, just divide with 2x. Okay, here we cannot divide, but here we can divide. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. What is the factor? 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. X plus 3 and 2x plus 1, they have interchange and written. Okay, however if you want you can write. One factor is x plus 3 is one factor, 2x plus 1 is another factor. So instead of this we can just write the factor. Okay, we have factorized this. So x plus 3, 2x plus 1. Here 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 cancel. So the balance is x plus 3. So therefore the length of the rectangular pool is x plus 3 hashtags. Okay, so now we have to start with question number 10. Okay, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factor of px square plus 5x plus r, show that p is equal to r. Okay, so they have given both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors. Okay, here they have given the factors. We have to show that p is equal to r. Okay, first you just write what is given in the question. Okay, so given okay, the given condition. Okay, given factors are given. Okay, factors. So one is x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, x minus 2 is a factor, which means okay, x is equal to 2. Okay, x minus 2 is a factor means x is equal to 2. That means, right, so one more step we can write. So x minus 2 is a factor means you can just write x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2. The same is next is given x minus 1 by 2. Okay, x minus 1 by 2 is given, one of the factor, and x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. then we can say x is equal to 1 by 2. So next, what is given? P of x is given. Okay, so P of x, so given P of x is equal to px square. Okay, px square plus 5x plus r. This is given in the question. Okay, first you can find out P of 2. Next we will find out P of 1 by 2. Okay, first in the place of x I am going to substitute 2. Okay, P of 2 I am going to find out first. Okay, P of 2 is equal to wherever x is coming, replace with 2. Okay, P into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r. Right, so you can just explain. So P into, okay, 2 square is 4 plus 5 twos are 10 plus r.
Sir,
So
should it be
simplify,
minus 2?
huh?
Minus 2, sir.
No, this is x minus 2 is a factor. That means x it will be 2. Okay, this is like a factor theorem, right? If x minus 2 is a factor, okay, P of 2 is equal to 0.
Okay.
Okay, so now, so right, so now P into 4, we can write it as 4P. Okay, 4P plus 10 plus r. Now this is our P of 2. Okay, P of 2. Okay, and next, okay, so we have to find out. So P of 1 by 2 we have to find out. So P of 1 by 2. So next we can go with P of 1 by 2. So P of 1 by 2 means wherever x is there, we have to replace with 1 by 2. Okay, we have to replace with 1 by 2. Okay, actually this is general formula. Okay, we'll just highlight this. Okay, this is our P of x. In the P of x, we have to replace the values. Okay, so next we go to find out P of 1 by 2. So in the wherever x is there, just replace with 1 by 2. Okay. So P of 1 by 2, right, is equal to, we'll be taking P of, okay, 1 by 2 the whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r. So now I can just simplify it. Okay, so P of 1 by 2 the whole square means 1 by 2 the whole square means you can just write 1 square is 1. 1 by 2 the whole square means 1 square is 1. By 2 square is 4. Okay, plus, so 5 into 1 by 2 means we are getting as 5 by 2. Okay, plus r. Next just multiply it, so we'll be getting as, so p by 4. Okay, we are getting as p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r. So here we are just using the concept of factor theorem. Okay, so I'll just introduce what is factor theorem. Right here they have given x minus 2 is a factor. If x minus 2 is a factor, p of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, at present just understand this. If x minus 2 is a factor, p of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, that means you have to take, this is P of 2 we found out, that is it's equal to 0. Okay, we can just equate to 0. The same as x minus 1 by 2 is a factor, therefore P of 1 by 2 is a factor. Okay, so P of 1 by 2, okay, is equal to 0. That means this is also is equal to 0. This is given P of 1 by 2 we found out, so this is equal to 0. We can take, this is our first equation, this is our second equation. Okay, just compare 1 and 2. In the left hand side we are getting a 0 0. Okay, so both are 0, so we can just equate right hand side. If the left hand sides are equal means, so you can just equate right hand side. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, so how we can equate? So 4p, so we're getting as 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to, here we have p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r. Okay, plus r minus r cancel. Okay, now we can just simplify it. So balance, what will we get? Okay, 4p plus 10 is equal to, here we can just take the LCM as 4. If you're taking LCM as 4, here is p plus, here I should multiply with 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 5 2s are 10 I am getting. Okay, next we can take the cross multiplication, take this 4 to this side. So it will become 4 into 4p plus 10 is equal to p plus 10, right? So next, if you multiply 4p with inside, 4 4s are, okay, 16p plus 4 into 10 is 40. Okay, now just bring this to this. Okay, p plus 10. Next step, we can bring it to this side. So you're getting 16p minus p. Okay, next plus 40, okay, minus 10 is equal to 0. So 16p minus b, we are getting as, okay, 15p. So plus 40 minus 10 is, we are getting as plus 30 is equal to 0. Now 15p is equal to minus 30. Okay, minus 30. Now p is equal to, we are getting as minus 30 by 15. Okay, minus 30 by 15 is equal to, we are getting as minus 2. So p value we are getting as minus 2. We'll just check R value. Okay, so p is equal to minus 2. I got it as p is equal to minus 2. Now just substitute p is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. Okay, I'm going to substitute p is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. Okay, so 4 into p value minus 2 plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. So 4 2s are minus 8 plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 10 is, we are getting as 2. 2 plus r is equal to 0. Now r is equal to minus 2. Okay, so p also minus 2, r also minus 2. Therefore p is equal to r. Okay, question number 11 is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 5, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10, then prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to minus 25. So this also we have to prove it. Okay, we have to prove a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 25, minus 25. By seeing this, okay, you can just easily identify what formula you're going to use. Okay, so first you just write the given condition. Okay, that's given. So given a plus b plus c is equal to 5 is given. So next, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10 is given. Okay, now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? So I can just use the formula using a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, right? So we can just substitute the value, right? So this is equal to, in the place of a plus b plus c, I can just write 5. Okay, this is 5. Into, we are getting as a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, for this minus is common, right? So I can just take minus outside. So we'll be getting as ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now in the place of ab plus bc plus ca, I can just substitute 10 in the next step. Okay, so 5 into, so we're getting as a square. Okay, a square, so plus b square plus c square. So minus, so instead of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 10, I can write. That's it. So next, okay, so we have to prove that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to minus 25. We have to prove it. Okay, so we got up to this. Next, what you can do, we are going to find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square, right? So we have to find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square. In the given question, a plus b plus c alone is given, right? So how to get a square plus b square c square means, Again, we are going to use one more identity formula, that is, okay, if you are taking a plus b plus c the whole square, so we'll be getting this. Okay, so again we are just going to use the another formula, right? So this is nothing but up to here we got a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a b c. This is the answer. For getting a square plus b square plus c square value, so using a plus c, b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so given what is given, a plus b plus c, okay, is equal to 5 is given. Okay, so I have to take square on both the sides, right? So given condition is, okay, what is given condition? So from the given, a plus b plus c is equal to 5 is given. Victor. Okay, now just take the square on both the sides. Okay, squaring on both the sides. I'm going to squaring on both the sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. So if we squaring on both the sides, you will be getting a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to 5 square. Now we can apply the formula for this. A plus b plus c the whole square means we are getting this, right? So we are getting as a square plus b square plus c square. So plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 5 square is 25. So we have to find out only this value. A square plus b square plus c square. That alone will keep as it is, a square plus b square plus c square plus, here 2 is common, right? So we can just take 2 outside. If I taking 2 outside, we will be getting as ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 25. Now again, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into, instead of AB plus BC plus CA. So they have given the answer as 10. Okay, 10 is equal to 25. So next, okay, A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, 2 tens are 20 is equal to 25. Now take this 20 to this side, you will be getting this value. Okay, so A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 25. So minus 20. Okay, 25 minus 20 is 5. So in the place of a square plus b square plus c square, we got the answer as 5. So we can just take this is equation number 1. Okay. So now we can just substitute here, right? So from equation number 1, you can just substitute the value. Okay. So now from 1, okay, from 1, what you are getting 1? So a cube plus b cube plus c cube, okay, minus 3abc is equal to 5, okay, into, in the place of a square plus b square plus c square, I can write it as, okay, that is 5, okay, minus 10. Just simplify it. Okay, 5 into 5 minus 10 is, we are getting as minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 means, so minus 25. Okay, they ask us to prove this only. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, we got it as minus 25. Okay, hence prove. Okay, therefore we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 25. Okay, hence proved.
Sir, we have minus 3ABC also there.
Okay. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to minus 25. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so once again we have used, by seeing this we can take this identity. Next, after this we cannot proceed, so from this we have to take another identity. Okay, a square So a plus b plus c the whole square identity. Find out the value, substitute, simplify, we got the proof. Hope it's clear. Right. So now question number 12. Okay, by factoring the expression, check that n cube minus n is always divisible by 6 for all natural numbers n. So give reason. Okay, by factoring the expression. Okay, first you just take the expression. So given, okay, given expression. Okay, so given expression is n cube minus n. Okay, n cube minus n. So they ask us to factorize. So what is common? So we have common as, okay, n is the common. I can just take n outside. If I take n outside, we will be getting n square minus 1. Okay, again, okay, this can be written as n into n square minus 1 square. Okay, n square minus 1 square also is the same. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So we know the formula for a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b means n plus 1, n minus 1. Okay, so using the formula a square minus b square. Okay, using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So n plus 1, n minus 1. Okay, this can be rearranged. Okay, so I can just rearrange this. I can write it as n minus 1 into n into n plus 1. Now they are in the form of 3 consecutive numbers, continuous number. N minus 1, n plus 1. So they all are 3 consecutive numbers. Okay, for example, if you are taking the 3 consecutive number as 1, okay, 2 or 3, 3 consecutive numbers. Or we can go with, okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, any 3 consecutive numbers. If we are taking any 3 consecutive numbers, okay, one number will be the divisible by 2. Okay, definitely one number will be divisible by 2 and another number will be divisible by 3. Okay, here 2 is divisible by 2, here 3 is divisible by 3. The same wise, if you are taking any 3 consecutive number, okay, so in 3 terms, one will be divisible by 2 and another one will be divisible by 3. So therefore, right, as 2 and 3 is the divisible by the numbers, so 2, 3 is a 6 also, it will be the number, consecutive number, it will be divisible by 6 also. Okay, so that's all we can just say. Okay, so here, so this is the product of 3 consecutive natural numbers. Okay, among any 3 consecutive natural numbers, one number is always divisible by 3. Yes, one number is always divisible by 3. And one number is always divisible by 2. Okay, one number is always divisible by 2. Therefore, the product n into n minus 1, n plus 1 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So hence is divisible by 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, therefore n cube minus n is always divisible by 6 for all natural numbers n. Okay, hope you can understand this.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understand like the part like n cube minus n. What like after that I didn't understand.
See, they ask us to factor, right? N cube minus n. Okay, from this, what is the factor? N is a common factor. Huh?
Yes, sir.
If I take n outside, what will come? If I am taking n outside,
N square
what do you,
minus one.
n square minus 1. Right, so here n square is as it is. 1 can be written as 1 square.
Yes, sir.
1 square also 1 only, right? Now this is in the form of for this alone. Okay, for this alone I am using a square minus b square format. Okay, for this alone We can use a square minus b square formula. What is that? A plus b, a minus b. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So next, rearrange. Consecutive number means I'm just rearranging it, right? So n minus 1, next n term, next n plus 1 term. Okay. So this is like consecutive terms 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, or 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. Three consecutive numbers. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so okay, so the 13th one is the last one. So find the value of x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64 when x plus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, two questions. This is one and second one. Okay, by seeing this, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube minus, no, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, c cube is here, minus 3abc. That formula, we have to bring it. Okay, first I'll just take the first question. Okay, so first one, I'll just take the answer itself. Okay. Okay, so this is our first. Okay, our expression is given that x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64. This is given in the question. Okay, by seeing this, right, we can just compare with a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This is the formula. We are going to apply it. First, we have to rearrange, right? 64 at the last. So just bring it to the first x cube plus y cube plus 64 minus 12xy. Now this is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus 64 can be written as 4 the whole cube minus. So we have to bring according to the 3abc. Okay, so 3 into a into b into c. Okay, so from this you can just take this is a value, this is b value, this is c value. Okay, replace in the formula, right? So replace in the formula. So here we are just getting from this I am writing. Okay, from this we are getting as a is equal to x. Okay, so b place we have y and c place we have 4. So replace in the formula a plus b plus c, that is x plus y plus 4 into x square plus y square plus c square is 4 square minus, okay, in the formula we have minus, okay, minus ab, okay, minus ab, right? So a and b 4x, okay, they have interchanged. So minus ab means this is a value and b value means minus x, correct, only minus xy and minus bc, okay, b and c, b and c, 4y is coming. Okay, so this is minus 4y and minus ca, okay, minus c into a, okay, 4 into x. Okay, here they have interchanged. 4y has to come here, 4x has to come here, correct now? Okay, however, here they have interchanged, so this is in the form of bc has to come here and okay, ca. Okay, next what do you have to do? Right, so just write x plus y is equal to minus 4. So we have to just take x plus y is equal to minus 4. So in the place of x plus y, just take minus 4. What is coming? Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So 0 into anything, we will be getting 0. So the final answer is 0. Okay. So they ask us to take when x plus y is equal to minus 4, what will happen? If x plus 4 is equal to minus 4, So it become 0. 0 into anything, 0. Hope you can understand this. Okay, the same wise you have to try for second one. Okay, second also the same formula. Here also they have interchanged. This in the form of a cube, okay, b cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc format you have to write. Then we have to substitute x is equal to 2y plus 6. Okay, so let me show. Right, so now second equation. Now this is the second. Okay, our expression is x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 260. Okay, now just expand x cube minus 8y cube, just bring 216 to the first. So minus 216 minus 36xy. So that we can just write in the form of a cube plus b cube. Okay, b value, here to take it as minus 2y. And so minus 6, the whole cube we will be getting as minus 216. From this you can just take it as, so a place we have x, a is equal to x. So b we have minus 2y and c we have minus 6. Okay, substitute in the formula in the place of a, b, c, substitute the value, simplify. Okay, we are getting up to this a plus b plus c. Okay, that means a value is x, b value is minus 2y, c value is minus 6. Right. Next, they ask us to take x is equal to 2y plus 6. Okay, in the place of x is equal to, in the place of x, I have to substitute 2y plus 6. Substitute 2y plus 6. Okay, here x value. And here minus 2y minus 6. Here plus 2y minus 2y. Plus 6 minus 6. Cancel. So balance 0. 0 into anything, again 0. Okay, 0 into anything is 0. For both the case, the answer is coming as 0.
Like, comment, and subscribe.